vessel to be used. Whatever Spirit needs of me, I will be, I will be, I will be. Here I stand. My heart is here to serve. Whatever love is leading me, I will go, I will go, I will go.
And so continuing in this moment of being, of surrender, of guidance, we simply remember that there truly is only one life, one breath, one love, one peace, one grace, and one abundance. And we see this in every face, every voice, every thing we observe with our physical senses. We see this in the clouds rolling across the sky. We feel it in the earth beneath us. And we know that there truly is only one. And so I consciously align myself with and as this one, with and as the grace and the peace and the abundance and the breath and the life. And as I know this is true for every cell, every fiber of my very being, so do I know it is true for everyone. Everyone right here in this room, everyone right here online, anyone who joins us at any moment. This is the very truth of each of our beings. And so I simply breathe into that, allowing that to remind every cell that that is the truth of who I am, the truth of who you are, the truth of who we are. And so breathing in, I surrender to the abundance. I let life be exactly what it is. I let my thoughts about what it should be simply fade into the exhalations of my breath. And for this and so much more, I'm so very, very grateful. I'm so grateful. I'm grateful for every person here, every idea, every sound that we hear. And I know that we are all here by divine appointment, for we have all said the sacred yes. And so in that allowing, in that surrender of the sacred yes, I simply call it good and very good, knowing that it unfolds in the perfection that divine is, that God is, that breath is, that life is. And I simply rest and let it be. Truly knowing it already is. And so we let it go, and together we say, and so it is.
So it is.
Here I am, a vessel to be used. Whatever Spirit needs of me, I will be, I will be, I will be. Here is here.